Hey friends, it's Diana from Ellie and Mac, and I am so excited. Today is the day to pick our winner for our fun fan giveaway, our $50 Ellie and Mac gift certificate, and I'm super excited because I love giving away gift cards. Yay! I feel like it's so cool. You get to buy some patterns and sew with me, okay? So I am so excited. I've been hearing you. I've been seeing your comments. I've been seeing your posts. I've seen you subscribed. I'm so excited. I love it when you guys come over to our Facebook page and our Instagram and post your makes. Give me a shout out. I want to hear it. I want to see it. So yeah. Now let's do this. Without any further ado, our random winner for the month of July is ManyBlessings.MuchasBendiciones. I am going to post the information below on how you can get in contact with us to get your gift card. I will post in one of your comments so you can see that you got it, just in case you don't see this video. But congratulations! Everybody else, just keep entering, keep posting, keep subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, pause right now, subscribe so you can be entered for next month's giveaway. $50 Ellie and Mac gift certificate so you can make all these awesome patterns. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!